Hello and welcome to the Shilpa Shetty channel, and this is the art of loving food. एक टाइम था जब इंडिया में एवोकाडो और किनुआ जैसी चीजें सिर्फ मैगजीन्स में दिखती थी. अब everyone's getting health conscious and thankfully these superfoods are easily available. आज हम बनाएंगे Chili Mango Quinoa Salad. Quinoa is high in protein and gluten-free, and avocado is a great source of healthy fats. Just in case you don't find avocado, it's not available, you can maybe use another alternative like paneer. So the dish is still not incomplete without it, but if you have it, it just makes it better. Let's get started. सबसे पहले हम अपना dressing बना देते हैं. So we'll just put some lemon juice, squeeze 2 full lemons. The quantity is a lot, so make sure that the dressing is enough. Tablespoon and a half of honey. One teaspoon of mustard. I've de-seeded the red chilies, so chopped it very finely. ये भी जाएगा इसके अंदर. Salt. Half a teaspoon of crushed pepper. Give it all a mix. Okay, that's done. Now we prepare our salad. We just add in the lettuce. Just use your hands, cut करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. This is how I do it. Now we've got some spinach that has been blanched. Now we add in our quinoa. Half a cup. It's cooked like rice, so 1 cup के साथ 2 cup पानी. Added the quinoa, the black beans. सारे पके हुए हैं. Black beans नहीं है, कल का राजमा भी डाल सकते हो आप इसमें. बहुत स्वादिष्ट होता है. Cherry tomatoes, cut 1 into 2, around 8 to 10. Some corn. And our star ingredient, mango. I love mango in anything. There's our avocado. And now we just pour our dressing. Mix it all in. Just look at this. How pretty is this? Just at the end, this is optional. Top it with a bit of olive oil, and this salad is ready to be devoured. Oh, fab! And this Chili Mango Quinoa Salad has just the right crunch and texture that I like in my salads. Perfect for on-the-go meals and great to balance those binge days. Try this healthy, tasty salad bowl at home, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Yaad rakho, swasth raho, mast raho.